Okay, so the rear of the machine, basically to get into any key component of the machine, it's really easy to access all components. You have this hood here that will lock up, and then you can take off the side panel here. And that, by the way, this side panel can come off even with the boom arm, loader arm down in that position. So you have great access to all the key components. You can see all your fluid fills. This is your engine coolant. You know, you can fuel your machine even if your machine's backed up against another machine on a trailer. Okay. That happens a lot of times, or a mini excavator. There's no swing out door, so you just open the hood and you can fuel the machine right there without having to move it off the trailer. Access is really wide open. It's almost 360 this way. Also, we've changed our cooling system a little. This is what we call our V-plenum cooling design, and we have this one large fan that's actually pulling air from the exterior of the machine to cool both of these coolers one-on-one. Okay. In the past, a lot of manufacturers, what they do is, and our current production, 300 series, is like this. You have a fan on the inside here, right next to the engine, and it's blowing the air that it's pulling in right on the coolers. Right. And you have to pass that air through two coolers that are stacked usually. And so by separating our two coolers this way, you're getting more of a 1-to-1 ratio, and you get more efficient cooling to both components. Okay. We call that the V-plenum design. We moved over to a hydraulically driven fan drive, so it's variable depending on the ambient temperature or how hard you're using the machine. And so this fan will only spin basically as fast as needed to keep it cool. Okay. A little minor detail, but the cooling systems of these machines are what creates a lot of the job site noise. So anytime you have the opportunity to slow that down, you do some other. Not only helps you with some fuel efficiencies, but lowers job site noise, and it helps eliminate some of the debris that maybe gets sucked into your coolers that you have to blow out. Okay. If it's not running at full speed all the time. Right. Right. So that's a little bit unique about the cooling system. I would say that's industry exclusive. Nobody has that design of cooling system today, so we're proud of that. Okay. We have an electronic fuel injection system on this engine, and so with all the great enhancements to having electronics, we're able to program in precise, precise amounts of fuel to give you the torque when you really need it, versus a mechanical injection system. That's also helping us achieve our Tier 3 and interim Tier 4 EPA off-road emission standards.
What's the horsepower on this machine?
Well, our horsepowers and skid steers will range from about, on our little ones, just under 50 horse, all the way up to 90 horse. Okay. This is a middle-sized machine, and this is going to be around 60 horsepower. Okay. Our track loaders, also right around 50 horse, going all the way up to 90 horse.
Is there an increase over the 300?
Yeah, we actually have just a small increase. Yeah. Well, our largest track loader, we increased our horsepower from 76 to 90. Okay. 89 net. Okay. So there was a significant increase in that one particular model. The other models, the published net horsepower had gone up anywhere from 2 to 3%. Not a huge jump.